The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner is a kitchen tool designed to make washing and drying fresh produce faster and easier. At first glance, it may look like a simple salad spinner, but it offers much more than that. OXO, the company behind this product, is actually known for inventing the one-touch salad spinner concept, and this model continues that tradition with a smart and user-friendly design. The spinner features a generous 6.22 quart capacity, making it suitable for preparing salads for individuals, couples, or even larger families. One of its standout features is the one-handed pump mechanism. With a simple press, the basket spins rapidly, helping remove excess water from lettuce, herbs, fruits, and vegetables. As a result, users can enjoy crisp and fresh ingredients without spending extra time drying them by hand. What truly sets this salad spinner apart is its thoughtful engineering. The one-touch pump delivers powerful spinning action with minimal effort, making it convenient for everyday use. In addition, the patented brake button allows the basket to stop immediately when needed. This feature provides better control and enhances safety during operation. Furthermore, the non-slip base keeps the bowl securely in place on the countertop, even while spinning at high speed. Because of these details, the spinner feels stable and reliable throughout the entire process. Whether someone is rinsing lettuce for a healthy salad or washing berries for a snack, the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner helps simplify food preparation. It is designed to reduce mess, save time, and improve overall kitchen efficiency. Another reason this product stands out is its versatility. While it excels at drying lettuce, it can also be used as a fruit washer, vegetable cleaner, strainer, and serving bowl. This multi-purpose functionality means users get more value from a single kitchen tool. Fresh herbs, beans, grapes, and other produce can all be washed and spun with ease. Moreover, the bowl itself can be used directly for serving salads, reducing the need for additional dishes. For meal prep enthusiasts, the spinner can help wash and store lettuce ahead of time. Once cleaned and dried, produce stays fresher and more appealing when it's ready to be served. This flexibility makes the OXO spinner a practical addition to almost any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy preparing fresh meals regularly. Cleaning and storage are often overlooked when choosing kitchen gadgets, but OXO has addressed both concerns effectively. After use, the pump handle can be pressed down and locked into place, creating a compact profile for easy storage in cabinets or on shelves. This storage lock keeps the lid neat and helps save valuable kitchen space. Additionally, the lid comes apart, allowing users to clean areas where moisture could otherwise accumulate. All components are dishwasher safe, with top rack placement recommended for best results. These features contribute to long-term convenience and durability. Overall, the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner combines performance, versatility, and ease of maintenance into one well-designed product. If viewers are looking for a reliable way to wash and dry fruits and vegetables with less effort, this kitchen tool is definitely worth considering. Check out the affiliate link in the description for current pricing and availability. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.